This literally just came. Look, I grabbed it from the parcel delivery guy. I am so excited to share this with you. Welcome to you. My name's Dayle and this is DaylesAddiction. Today it's a straight up unboxing. I am super excited. I have leaked a little bit about this in terms of my thinking, and you can hear that because I'm just going to get straight to it. I can't help myself. I'm not really good at doing these online unboxings because I can't manage my actual emotions for public viewing. I'm just not very good at it. So what you see is what you get. Okay, right. I have to say I purchased this bag pre-loved from the Purse Fair. Look how beautifully she is taken care of. Now I have had this on a payment plan for about 6 weeks. So it's been one of those slow drip releases of excitement as I got closer and closer to paying it off. And what I really love about the Purse Fair is you get that option because sometimes you can't sleep. Sometimes you can't sleep on these things. This is not a sponsored video. I did not receive any discounts on this bag. I talk about the Purse Fair all the time. It's where I've bought nearly all of my pre-loved pieces. But I talk about it from a genuine place of no benefits for me. Look how beautifully she is wrapped up. Oh, God. I am so excited. The box has been protected. This is for all you ASMR fiends out there who love a package being opened. I'm thinking of you. This is an inclusive channel. I'm trying to hold back because I'm really excited. Oh my goodness. Look how beautifully this is wrapped. Angela! Okay, camellia and everything. Let's just savor this moment for a minute. Camellia. Okay, sorry. I know you want to see this stuff, right? Okay, ribbon is off. Box. Oh, opening. So we've still got the original Chanel tissue and sticker. I don't know what we're going to see when we open this. Oh yeah, she's wrapped up and she's stuffed. She's stuffed in there nicely. Hold on a second, people. I can see some. Okay. Nothing more in the box. Comes with the pretty much full set, I believe. I should probably know that off the top of my head, but I don't. But I'm pretty sure like this hasn't even been used. So that's always lovely. I'm a little bit nervous. Okay. So I'll show you and then we'll do story time, shall we? So you can tell it's obviously a seasonal bag because it's me and I love seasonal bags. And I'm going to reveal it in a moment. Oh my goodness. Are you dying? Are you dying to know? So what I want to show you is this new to me, first for me, Chanel Mini Square in the Cocoa Crush. Look at this. This is a beautiful yellow colour. I think it's from the 20C collection. I have been looking for a yellow bag forever. Look at that. Oh, I just want spring summer to come along. And I asked you guys for help. I talked about it on my wish list. And then this popped up. And I was like, no, I can't afford that right now. And then I realised layaway. And sometimes this is the issue with seasonal bags, right? You just have to jump on them. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Okay, inside it's gold. Okay, so I've got the receipt and the authenticity card here. I don't even know how to use this thing. I mean, the little crushy thing. Let me just weave the chain through. Okay, inside it is a gold lined interior. The zipper still has the plastic on. Here you go. So it's gold inside. It's a lambskin bag and it feels so buttery soft. Oh, look at this. There's a little pocket on the back. It is so buttery soft. It feels amazing. This feels softer than my black rectangular bag. Oh my goodness. So this little chain, this little C here, you can squeeze it in and it will allow you to shorten the strap. Like if you want to have it as a little hand carry kind of number or just on the shoulder. Like this is a very substantial piece of hardware. I don't know if anyone has seen these in person, but that is quite heavy. But just have a look at it. Like it's got the quilted lines on it. Obviously it's like a brass or it's not gold. You'd say it's brass. It's like an antique gold kind of hardware. And it's pretty significant. The chain is very, very thin. Much more thin than my rectangular. And then it's got this little, I suppose it's like a little stopper on the end, a little bauble. Does that have any markings on it? It does. It says CC on it. Now this was listed as 9.5 out of 10 condition with a couple of small nail marks on the front, and I can just see one there. I don't know if you'll be able to see it in the light, just there. But goodness me, like what a treasure. What a treasure. This is the perfect summer yellow bag. Now, I don't know if it's going to fit me crossbody, and to be honest, I'm kind of over that tripe now because I've got enough bags that do enough things that bringing a different element into my collection. I'm just going to do this adjusting thing because I just want to do it. How satisfying. But I don't need all of my bags to do all of the things anymore. I used to, and I feel like I'm past that now. Goodness gracious me, this is the sweetest little thing. I am going to see what fits inside because I don't know what fits inside. And I don't... I'm so guilty. The last couple of bags that you would have seen from me, this bag and my Capucines, I didn't research much. I guess I watched videos where those bags, with this bag and the Capucines is on those videos, but I never really fully researched them. And I think that's going back to the heart of what I love about luxury handbags is that when you love something, you just love it and you make it work. It doesn't need to serve a purpose. And my dog seconds that. It doesn't have to be everything. And I think if the bag is a piece of art, if the bag stands alone, but the bag also complements what I'm wearing, then I should just let the bag sing. So let's stop getting all poetic about the bag and let's just see what fits inside. I have made such a mess here. I just realised that I didn't do a what fits in my Capucines bag. Oh, I got too excited. Okay, what fits inside this little baby? So for the purposes of this video, I have an iPhone XS Max and it doesn't have a case on and it's only going to fit diagonally. See there? Yeah, it's not going to fit lengthways. Lucky that I've got that Apple iPhone Mini 12. I might have to charge that up. Okay, so let's see what we can fit around it. I've got my Chanel card case and I can put that on one side like that. I've got my keys And I can put that on another side of the phone like that. It's a little bit Tetrisy, isn't it? Car fob and a lip in here and some AirPods on top. And I think, ooh, is that okay? No, it's a little too full. Okay, it is a mini bag, Dayle, remember. What if I push that down and I'm going to turn the keys on their side like that, because my car is keyless entry, so that that's not sticking up so much at the back. And you can see in there is everything. Okay, let's see if that one will work. All right, it's going on. Okay, so that feels like a hefty little bag. It's not bulging or anything, but there is some weight in there. And I guess that's the weird thing about these little bags, is that they obviously feel heavier with the same amount of objects in them, or items, I don't know why we call them items. It's just something I hear on these YouTube videos. I'm like, why are things called items? I mean, I know why they are, but it just seems to be language that is used on these kind of YouTube videos. Anyway, so it just feels heavier for the size than, say, a large bag with the same amount of things in it. So there's my bag. I am going to try it on and play around with how I can style it. I'm really, like, the Chanel buzz, pre-loved or not, is real. And for me, I've said it before and I'll say it again. When I'm shopping pre-loved, like, I really want a full set. Most of the time, I want a full set. I want that experience. And when people buy from me, I make sure that they get that experience too, because you should get that experience. This is my first square mini. It's my first pearl crush. It's my first yellow bag. And I'm super happy with it. So tell me, what do you think of this little baby? Do you have a pearl crush? What do you think? I am certainly impressed with the fact that the strap drop on this seems to be a bit longer than the standard square bags, because I've tried them before and there's no way they would crossbody and look remotely good. Yeah, just come share the love with me, because I'm gushing. If you have liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. I put out videos on Wednesdays and Sundays, so I will see you next time. Bye. Say bye.